What's this? What do you say? Let's give it a go. Right? Oh, nice. Old school controls, maps. Why not? Oh, look at the people, right? Hey, yeah, we're gonna give this a go. It's been a long time since I've done this. I wish I knew a sonar tech or so to help me with this. I think we're gonna have fun with this, right? I don't know how the graphics or whatnot's gonna be, but very interesting. Very interesting. Battley music. Oh, look at this. Right. Periscopes and things and stuff. Oh yeah. Red alert. Look at these lunatics. Oh. Standing up there, and they're going to fire the torpedo from there. Are you kidding me? Really? Oh, Silent Hunter 3. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can do here. Why not? Why not? How far away is that one? Might be able to reach it. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look and see. What we can do is we can zoom in and see the torpedoes. Very nice, right? Oh, where's that one going? Yeah, that was a miss. What else we got here? Terrible, terrible, absolutely terrible. Let's speed it up a little bit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, beautiful. Nice, there was one. Okay, what else we got? Any others in the ocean? There's one. Where's it going? Uh-oh, is that going to be a hit? Looks like it. Looks like it. Where'd it go? Oh, nice. Oh, I missed it. Nice. Okay, what do we got going on here? Let's see. Okay, map. Bad guys coming in. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, yeah. Too close. There we go. I think he's too close. What do you think? Oh, nice in the water. See that? Come on, hit it. Nice! Okay. Somebody's shooting at me. Oh, who's that? think so, chumney. Do it. Goody. Nice. There's the trail. This is gonna. Weapons guy, what do you got? Oh, nice. Weapons guy, what do you got left? We got two tubes and an aft. That's all right. We'll take that. Now we're back to the real world. I just wanted to give you an idea of Silent Hunter 3. We'll have to revisit this again later. All right. I want to thank everybody for popping in, saying hey. Leave a comment, a period, whatever. Helps the algorithms. Again, thanks everybody, and you have a great day, all right? Later.